think this is just an ordinary sedan? By the end, you won't believe it's the same car. The transformation starts with a full teardown. First, the stock wheels come off. The rear bumper is removed. Next, all 4 doors disappear. The factory side skirts are taken off. Out comes the windshield. The hood is lifted away. The front grille is removed. Then the headlights come out. Finally, the front bumper is stripped away, leaving only the bare shell. Now it's time for real performance upgrades. High-performance racing brakes are installed. A massive turbo and upgraded radiator are added. Then comes the biggest upgrade, a high-performance engine swap that transforms the heart of the car. With the power ready, it's time to rebuild the exterior. The wide custom front bumper gives the car an aggressive new face. The front wheels are fitted. New headlights bring the front end to life. Custom side skirts sharpen the profile. The rear wheels complete the stance. Dark window tint adds a clean, stealthy finish. The doors return with a perfect fit. The rear bumper and taillights lock into place. A sporty spoiler and roof scoop take the styling to the next level. The hood goes back on, completing the build. Final graphics are applied. And just like that, a stock sedan becomes a one-of-a-kind street machine. Rate this build from 1 to 10.